Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So with Valentine's Day just around the corner, some of us might want our skin to be in tip-top shape for a special someone. Or if you just want to hang out and kick back with some girlfriends, then I might have the perfect products for you. I Do Care just recently added 2 new masks to their line, Sugar Kitten and Space Kitten, to complement their already best-selling Disco Kitten mask. And Memebox was kind enough to send over the Mini Meow Trio so I could test them all out for myself. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first up we have I Do Care's original chrome mask, Disco Kitten. This is a brightening mask that's going to help bring back the glow to your skin. It contains ingredients such as pearl powder to gently exfoliate, diamond powder to help boost elasticity, and even rice bran extract to improve texture and moisturize the skin. Next up, we have Sugar Kitten, the hydrating holographic mask. This contains ruby and pearl powder to help brighten the skin, but also rose water and hyaluronic acid to, of course, hydrate the skin, but also improve elasticity and calm down irritation. And last, we have this oily skin girl's personal favorite, Space Kitten. This is the exfoliating sparkling mask. It contains sapphire and diamond powder to help brighten and exfoliate the skin, but also charcoal powder and volcanic ash to help cleanse the pores, remove impurities, and control and absorb excess sebum. Then, since you have to wait about 20 minutes for this to dry, you could go ahead and start planning out your date or eat some chocolate, watch K-drama, listen to some K-pop. You know, no judgment here. This is your time. This is your me time, so you do whatever you want with it. Now that everything is dry, we could finally start peeling it off, and thankfully Disco Kitten and Sugar Kitten are not painful, and they do leave your skin looking nice and smooth and hydrated and bright. However, when it comes to Space Kitten, this one is a little bit more painful, but it does extract quite a few things, so I guess it's the good kind of pain. So, what do you guys think? I personally really like the results. I think my skin looks nice and healthy and glowy and it feels clean, so I like it. Not only do these masks look really cool and they're super fun, but they're effective, and that is the most important thing of all. If you want to find these masks, they're available on Ulta online and in stores as of the 26th. They're also in some selected Urban Outfitters, so I'll have all the links down below for your convenience. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review and found it somewhat helpful, and I also hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, thanks for stopping by, and until next time, bye!